All right, welcome to the top patio at Vista Lodge. This is the upstairs hot tub. Yes, you have two hot tubs here. The 8-person is on the incredible deck, 2 decks down, so you'll have to watch that video in a little bit. But this is how you get this one open. There should be a chain across the top to keep any animals, small children, from being able to open this hot tub cover. You're going to want to leave this bar down right here on top of the fold. Flip this up. You're going to grab the bar right here and pull that forward. The controls on here are about as simple as it gets. So you've got the jets button right here. There's 2 levels for the jets. You can turn the light on, and then the warmer and cooler here, or it just says warmer, cooler. Just use that button. While you're here, please, if you don't mind, do not leave it overnight more than 100. It does not take long to go from 100 to 102, so it just conserves energy. And so somewhere between 95 and 100 while you're staying. Oh, hope you enjoy this hot tub. Thank you so much.